Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Fathom with Zoom. So, Fathom is really useful for recording, transcribing, and summarizing Zoom meetings automatically, saving time and improving productivity. So, the first thing that you will have to do is install Fathom. So, the download options should be somewhere right here. So, what you will have to do is either select Get Started, it's free, and then proceed with the signing up steps, and then of course download the app or the extension itself. But if you already have the download option here, you will just have to of course install to download it and then install it. And then after that, after installing your Fathom, you will just have to open it and then click connect to Zoom, and then basically you will log into your Zoom account and allow the permissions. And then after that, you will just have to start a Zoom meeting by opening your Zoom and starting or joining a meeting, and then the Fathom website or the Fathom app will automatically start recording. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.